welcome back to another episode. Here we are in Ghent, Belgium, and welcome to, this is country number 46 of Travel with Carter. So these are my good friends Lika and Stefan.
Welcome in Belgium.
Yeah, and see what we got up to for beautiful country number 46, Belgium. Look at that castle in the background.
That's where we're staying.
That's This is the Ghent Castle.
Gravenstein.
Or the Gravenstein Castle, right on the river. Beautiful stuff. Got the police escort behind me just in case things go south.
Cannot behave yourself.
If I can't behave, or oh my goodness, this is getting wild. Okay, so they got a friendly game on, a football match, Sweden against Ghent, and looks like there's a few thousand people here in the city center, and we're gonna join them. Here we are in Ghent Square, and trying to meet some soccer fans. I don't know where we can find any.
I don't know, where are they?
Where are the soccer fans? They're everywhere. Architecture is unbelievable.
Almost the same as in Canada.
Very similar. I feel like I'm in Streetsville. This is got some Ghent graffiti. Nice Belgian beer, had a cork in it, and it sat for 2 years in an oak barrel. And look at that expiry date, 2042. Just slightly behind Twinkies and probably Coca-Cola. Hey, so we're in a Belgian beer house, and I just was told I gotta take my shoe off.
Thank you.
That's always a good sign, and here we go.
Yep.
So I got my lovely tour guides here.
You have to watch what they're going to do.
Okay, I think I know, but I could be wrong. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. There's already a few in there. Okay, we rang the bell. Okay. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I got myself into.
This is called the Dillegiet, and it's a famous Belgian bar. And because they have these very nice glasses, you need to hand in your shoe because everybody was stealing them. So that's what we're doing.
You got trust issues. I thought I was drinking out of my shoes, so I feel much better now that he explained it. I thought for sure I was drinking out of my shoe. Don't they do that?
No, that's more French
you can.
kind of.
You can.
French? Okay.
You can. I mean, you can do that afterwards.
Lika likes to make up local rules when I'm in town too, so.
Take off your pants.
So this is 1.2 liters of beautiful blonde lager or ale or something.
Thank you.
And yeah, and there's also
I'm on 70.
yeah, beautiful Stefan and Lika as well. So there's a lot of beauty in one room here. That's a big beer, and that's why you have to give your shoe, because people steal these glasses, and so our shoes are still up there in the little basket behind the wooden elf. But cheers, guys. Let's have a sip. I don't think we can. Oh, how do you do it? Oh, okay, like. Oh my God, I'm gonna spill it. Cheers. All right, here we are in Belgium, and we are at this gentleman's lovely bar. He's going to show us his rum and walk me through it, please.
Yeah, so it's a World's End rum. It's a spiced rum, made from Trinidad and Jamaican rum, spiced with allspice and cinnamon.
Beautiful. Okay, and we're going to have a shot here. Yeah, we got to name the bar. You're right. Somebody said that. What's the bar?
The bar's called the Drifter.
Okay, so we're at the. There we are. We're at the Drifter. Cheers.
I just can't get it.
Oh, if you're ever in Ghent, you got to come to the Drifter. Check it out. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. So in Belgium, they love their babies. In Brussels, they have the peeing baby, and these is the Ghent version of them. So it's Ghent Market Square. Top of the bell tower in central Ghent Square. What a view. And you can see how high up we are. Oh my gosh. And I'm a little nauseous looking down, but super tight stairway down. Whirls all the way down, these tiny little steps. It's beautiful, it's fun. Inside the bell tower, there's the beautiful bell. We're just up top there. That's the stairway down. And they were very smart and put an elevator in. Basically accessible for most people. I think that's a good idea. Lika's ringing the bells. Ring my bell. Let's try them all, ring them all. Apparently they're 300 kilos, so we shouldn't drop them, I don't think. But it's music to my ears.
Very relaxing.
It is, yeah. You don't even need the middle piece, just bell slapping. I think,
out
yeah,
the things.
yeah. I think we created a new type of music, bell slapping. Look at these doors, big doors on the floor. That's beautiful bride and groom on their wedding day. I don't know if they're going this church or, but they're doing something. They're having fun. Beautiful Belgian flag. This is Belgian chocolate paradise. Chocolatier at work. This guy is a magician. Have more chocolates from Belgium here. Let's dive in.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's St. Michael's Cathedral in Brussels. Chocolate lava fountains and every size and shape imaginable. This is a big market square in Brussels. Wow. Crazy. So we got all these guys. They're part of the Mannequin Piss Club. This guy's gonna play some music. Good fun. Hello from beautiful Brussels, Belgium. Look at this sign my friends made me. This is amazing. Met me at the airport with this, and here we are at the European Union. So this is major world powers meet here often to discuss the day's events, like Travel with Carter. Where's he going next? So check out the episode to see.
Got the whole thing on there.
Beautiful. I love it. Here we go. We are at the tallest mountain in the Netherlands. This is the point where it's Netherlands, Belgium, and Germany meeting. So, cheers. All right, my lovely friends decided to push me, as they know I don't like heights, and I almost died 10 or 15 times climbing up here. You can't really appreciate the heights. I'll show you on the way down, but here we are. We're up at the top. These guys are loving it. I'm still shaking, but there's Belgium if you were to look here, and then we go over to the right, and then we got beautiful Germany over here. So we're in 3 countries at once. That's pretty cool. Right? That's very cool.
So how are you feeling?
Still a little shaky, but I'm glad we did it. I'm just gonna kiss the ground here since we come. Thank you. That's not nice. Way too high, and I don't like the see-through stairs part. And it's nice that they had 2 handrails, and my lovely friends to encourage me to keep pushing through, even though I wanted to quit, but. Oh, I hate heights though. God, I'm still shaky. Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching. And if you could share it with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.